All right, today I hope to finish the garden box. Let me back up and show you guys what's going on here. So that's the back porch. See these little pots up here? We have some vegetables and fruits growing in there just from seed. And this big tree we're gonna have to pare down or move, working on that now. But this is a little garden box that I'm making. About halfway done. I'm using the same wood that's on the fence there. So it should eventually get to the same color and blend in real nice. It's a free-floating garden box. We'll be able to pick it up and move it, of course, after you take out some of the dirt. But I'm building the frame out with 2x4s and then using the fence wood to wall it in. It'll have all four corners. I'm going to finish it today. I'm going to line the bottom with plastic and then reinforce it with 2x4s right there and right there. Line the bottom with plastic. It's going to have 2 or 3 boards all the way around on each side. We're going to start with 2, see how that looks. If we like it, we'll cut down these 2x4s right here. Boom, boom. These 2x4s, these uprights are 17 inches. That's the height of 3 of these boards together is 17 inches. And then just 2 of them together is 11 inches. So we're gonna nail them in. That one's just sitting there. It's not nailed in or screwed in. But we're gonna do it all the way around with 2 boards, see how we like it, and possibly use that full 17 inch and do the 3rd board up top. This is a real nice spot in the yard. Let me see if I can get enough of a view. This is like a little courtyard behind our house. Got the camper right here. And that window right there is the kitchen. So we really like the idea of having berries and herbs and a little garden here that we can use in our cooking, just right here within view of the kitchen. So that's kind of what we're doing. Again, this box is free floating. I'm gonna build a stand for it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use bricks to like make a flat little ramp there for the box to sit on top of. Not sure about that. For the time being now, I've got a little cross tie and they're holding it up and flat and level. But there's the backyard and the shed. There's the camper. So we're gonna do this little area up right here as a nice little courtyard in between the backyard and the house. Make it look real nice, and we get 5 to 7 hours of sun right here. Like the shade, this is facing south, right? So the sun is coming up just over the house, and the shade will get to about right there before the sun gets behind the tree in the afternoon. So we get tons of sun in this little spot, and it should be an ideal spot for a miniature home garden. So that's what we're up to. That's what we're doing here around the house. We are looking for a garden with fruits and vegetables that we can use in our cooking. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll do more of an explanation of the garden box and how it's working and all those good things later on down the road. But like I said, we're going to the hardware store today. I'm gonna get the pieces that I need to finish this out, and hopefully by the end of the day today I will be making a video showing you guys the finished product before we put dirt and plants and that sort of thing in it. So thanks for checking out the video. If y'all got any questions or comments, let me know. Take care.